So you've been crushing your financial goals with SoFi. That's awesome. But let's face it, sometimes life throws curveballs, and you might need to move that hard-earned cash elsewhere. Maybe you're eyeing a dream investment, a house down payment, or simply want to consolidate your accounts. The question on your mind: how much can you actually transfer out of SoFi? Now, SoFi isn't some money jail. They definitely want you to be in control of your finances. But, like any responsible financial institution, they have safeguards in place to prevent fraud and maintain healthy account activity. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of SoFi's transfer limits and exploring some strategies for moving your money smoothly. First things first, SoFi offers two main ways to get your money out: ACH transfers and debit card withdrawals. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, transfers are electronic transfers that move money between your SoFi account and another bank account. Debit card withdrawals, on the other hand, let you access your cash directly from an ATM. Alright, let's talk about ACH transfers. SoFi boasts about allowing for unlimited transfers. That sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, it mostly is. The Federal Reserve recently lifted restrictions on the number of transfers you can make per month from savings accounts. So, in theory, you could transfer out every penny in your SoFi account, one ACH at a time. However, there's a catch: SoFi, like many banks, can still set its own daily limits. Here's where things get interesting. SoFi's advertised daily ACH transfer limit is a hefty $50,000. That's a significant amount for most people. But hold on a sec, because this number might not apply to everyone. SoFi can actually lower your limit based on a few factors. Account activity and tenure are big ones. If you're a new SoFi user with minimal deposits and withdrawals, your limit might be significantly lower than that juicy $50,000. So, it's always best to check your account details or contact SoFi directly to confirm your specific limit. Now, debit card withdrawals are a different story. SoFi's daily ATM withdrawal limit is a much more modest $1,000. This makes sense, considering ATM transactions are generally for smaller, immediate needs. So, what if you need to transfer a larger sum that exceeds your daily limit? Don't fret. There are a few ways to navigate this. Patience is a virtue. If you have some time to spare, you can simply break down your transfer into smaller chunks over multiple days. This might not be ideal, but it's a guaranteed, secure way to move your money. Contact SoFi. SoFi has a customer service team readily available. Explain your situation and the amount you need to transfer. If you have a history of responsible account management, they might be willing to temporarily increase your limit. Explore alternatives. Is there another way to achieve your goal? For instance, if you're looking to invest, SoFi also offers investment products. Consider transferring your funds directly within the platform. Remember, a key takeaway here is to be proactive. If you anticipate needing to transfer a large sum, contact SoFi well in advance. This gives them time to verify your identity and potentially adjust your limits if necessary. Lastly, a word of caution: while SoFi allows for unlimited transfers, it's important to be mindful of Regulation D. This federal rule applies to all savings accounts in the U.S. and limits the number of withdrawals you can make per month to 6. So, if you plan on making frequent transfers from your SoFi savings account, it might be wise to consider keeping some of your funds in a checking account to avoid any potential restrictions. So, there you have it. With a little planning and understanding of SoFi's transfer limits, you can move your money seamlessly and achieve your financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, staying informed is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.